MDP Model High School. Welcome to my classes, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, dear students. Introduce teacher's identity. Muhammad Anwar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Class 8, Subject English, first paper, dear students. Look at the picture and say what are they. Dear students, you can see a picture. There are different types of food such as rice, vegetables, sweets, pitha, etc. dear students. So today's lesson is Bangladeshi cuisine, Unit 1, Lesson 5, dear students. Learning outcomes. Ask and answer questions. Know new words. Participate in short discussion. Write a paragraph about Bangladeshi food, dear students. Look at the picture and discuss in pairs. Dear students, you can see a picture. There are different types of foods. You will see the picture and discuss about these pictures. What are these kind of food, dear students? You can identify which foods is which kind. Next slide, dear students. Dear students, open your book at page 8 and read the text silently. Read the text below and answer the following true-false questions. Dear students, now you can see a text about different types of foods of Bangladesh. You read the text carefully and after completing your reading the text, you will give some true-false answer of true-false questions. Dear learners, I hope you have completed reading the text. In the text, you can see some kinds of fishes such as carp, rui, katla, magur, shrimp, shuki, dry fishes. Of course, you have known about these kinds of fishes from your text. Dear students, now you can read next part of the text silently and very carefully. I hope you have know some kinds of pitha and sweets from the reading text. Some common pitha and sweets are given below. There are some kinds of pitha and sweets. I hope that you must be able to say what kinds of food there, dear students. Individual work, dear students. Already you have completed reading the whole text. Now you will do individual work. True or false? If false, give the correct information. Dear students, there are some true false questions. You can You will read the questions very carefully and you will give the answer carefully. At first questions, our foods are rich because they have a lot of oil in them. The students, if the information is true, you will say true or write true. If the information is not true, you will say or you will write the information is false and you will give the correct information. Next question, we get protein mostly from fishes. Same way, you will write or say this question is true or false. If false, give the correct information. Question number 3. On Poila Boishakh, the traditional food is steamed rice and dry ricksha. You will say, is it true or false, dear students? If it is true, you will say that true, or if it is not true, you will say false and you will give the correct information, dear students. Next question, question number 4. Pitha Utsav takes place almost all the year round in Bangladesh. This way, last questions, sweets are not much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. Dear students, you will read these questions very carefully and answer the questions very carefully, dear students. Let us next slide. Kumar, read the text in B again and write a paragraph. How can we make Patishapta Pitha? The students, at your home, you read the text again and again and you will write a paragraph. How can we make Patishapta Pitha? Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.